In this question, it is given that let capital N be the sum of the numbers appeared when two fair dice are rolled, and let the probability that these three numbers are in geometric progression be k upon 48. Then the value of k is, you have to find the correct choice. First of all, I will find the value of n so that these three numbers are in GP. It's very simple to see that for these three numbers to be in GP, n minus 2 into n plus 2 is equal to under root 3n whole square. That is, I get n square minus 4 equal to 3n. That is, I get n square minus 3n minus 4 equal to 0. Clearly, the roots of this are minus 1 and 4. But n being the sum of the numbers appeared when the two fair die are rolled, therefore minus 1 is not possible. Only you have got the possible value of n as 4. And as the question was, let n be the sum of the numbers appeared when the two fair die are rolled. Here n is 4. Then the question will become, let 4 be the sum of the numbers appeared when two fair die are rolled. And probability of that will be, it's clear that probability of 4 is upon 36, and in the numerator, because the possible cases are 1 3 3 1 and 2 2, hence numerator will be 3, that is 1 by 12. But because it is given that probability is k by 48, and therefore equating it with k by 48, I get the value of k as 4. Hence I can say second choice is correct.